Hey y'all. So let's have a little chit chat. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Chit chat and kind of like pre quote unquote pack because I don't have everything to pack my hospital bag for my transplant. But I mean, I'm going to be just getting the they only tell you to like pack like pajamas and stuff like that, so that's what's going in my bag. Um So this is just gonna be like a get to know me slash sorta pack my bag. So I am 35 years old. I have been on dialysis for 12 years. I think I've said that. It's my 12th year. And I have done peritoneal dialysis. I've done hemo in center dialysis. And now I'm currently doing home hemo, putting my own needles in. First gown going in. We're just going to fold these up and just put them in the bag. I have 7 siblings. I have 2 brothers, and 5 sisters. 2 of those sisters are younger. And they real cute. Cute and sweet. So we're gonna throw a couple of robes in there too. Oh, my cousin already folded these. She is the bomb.com. Shout out to Valeris. Already folded. So, like I said, we're just gonna be packing pajamas, gowns, zip up gowns, so I don't have to raise my arms or anything. And so we're just gonna do pack these. These are the gowns that zips in the front. Um, I have 33 nieces and nephews that I absolutely, absolutely adore. My babies. Um, I am currently trying to, my heart's desire is to actually, to be quite honest, is to make movies. I wanted to be a movie director since I was a little girl. Like, little. But that didn't work out. So then I started, this might be a little damp still. It's another zip up. Um, but that didn't work out. So I went to the next best thing, which was trying to drive trucks. I actually attempted to drive, and I actually found a company that I can drive trucks just all around the world. That was like the goal: travel here, travel there, driving semi trucks. But kidney failure, so I became a liability, and that didn't work out either. So boom, all my dreams. Y'all know what? I don't know. I still want to drive trucks. That's actually the plan. When I get a transplant, is to drive semi trucks. I'm praying for it. I mean, it's whatever the Lord wills. Um, but that's what I'm wanting. That's what I'm wanting to do. I mean, who knows? It's what the Lord says. So it is what it is. I often speak on like dialysis or like anybody dealing with things they're struggling with, health wise, and not a lot about mental health. I mean, because actually that ties in, because if if you're, I mean, if you're not well mentally, you're not all there. Like in my case, I can, speak for myself. Um, for a while, I've struggled with, um, anxiety and depression. Anxiety so much more now. Panic attacks and things like that, that trigger it. Large crowds, mm, uh, loud noises. Sometimes it's real bad for me. But, um, and I say this about that: um, seek help. Don't be ashamed. I mean, if you just need to talk to somebody, then you need to talk to somebody. Cause people don't. I mean, half the time your family don't listen. You telling them one thing, they it's going through this ear and out the other. Oh, she all right. Oh, girl, stop. Oh, you ain't gonna do this, or you ain't gonna do that, or it ain't that serious. How you gonna tell somebody what's serious? For them, like what? How you gonna tell? How you? First of all, you can't tell somebody how they feel, and just because it seems small to you, don't mean it's small is the same for that person. It might be huge to that person. Like, what the heck? I honestly, I never really understood that. I never understood that. Like, um, people have so much to say about, other people's situations, and not enough encouragement. They got a lot to say, like, oh, you shouldn't be doing this, you shouldn't be doing that, you shouldn't say this, you shouldn't say that. How about encourage that person, or pray for them and uplift them somehow. It's not everything is not always somebody is attention seeking. And if they are, at that time they might need it. Give it to them. What is it going to cost you to show that you care for somebody? It's not going to cost you anything. I've never understood. I never seen the problem with that. Um, Heck, they might need it. I mean, you just never know. So I say all that just to say, just find you, get you a nice therapist, one that you can click with. Stay in prayer, and stay, keep your mind off of, get your heart and mind off of people, because you're gonna be disappointed. Goodness, people are just all for self is what they can get, and it's, that's just what it is. I'm definitely taking this. My friend, let's go in the bag. Y'all, I feel like I have so much time to do things, and I bet I don't. And I say that because I've joined a kidney group, a transplant group, and they a lot of people said the same thing, that this one guy said they gave me a good hour to get to the hospital to have the surgery. They called him that day and was like, you have an hour to get here to get the surgery." Right then, no matter what he was doing, he could have been at work, and it didn't even matter. He had 1 hour to get to the hospital. So I'm trying to be ready. I'm actually am trying to be. I'm trying to be ready. Like, I mean, yeah, extra charger going in. Oh, I have another new one. but it didn't get washed. So, yeah, no. Anyway, y'all, I actually wanted to do a review on this movie, but I can't remember the name of the darn movie. Um, but it was an old movie, and it was actually really good, and I was just like amazed by it. But y'all know what? I thought I would be like more scared being this close to the transplant. I would be like terrified, but I'm actually excited. I'm actually like, okay, this is happening and I'm ready to go. Like, can y'all call me this week? I mean, I'm so ready. Goodness. I mean, because look, check this out. Being on dialysis, like, you feel like yourself before you get on. When you come off, you feel horrible. Until, I mean, if you rested for a couple hours, but as the hours go on, you feel better. Like now, you probably couldn't tell that I've done dialysis, but I can tell you right now, and actually, I can show you. I did, and I have more energy now than I did earlier when I did my treatment. I did my treatment early today, and it's what 9 o'clock. So some hours has passed. So I'm feeling better. I'm feeling more like myself. It take a couple hours, but um, boy, ooh, when you first get in office, like don't talk to me. What Monique say? Don't talk to me. Don't even look at me. Give me a moment. Let me breathe. But I still found time to do this video. I mean, I like YouTube. I like YouTube. I like the talk to people. Even though, I mean, the lack of support is real. Y'all, I mean, for real, the lack of support is so real. I mean, even with your family, like, you would think they'd be the first one to jump on the bandwagon. It's always somebody that's not related. It's like, hmm? How? How's that? I mean, hey, it is what it is. D love everybody. And if it was the other way around, I would support them. Even now, I would still support, I am not getting the support that I thought that I would, but guess who ain't stopping? I'm not. Show late. But I have a lot in store. I have some reactions I'm going to be doing to some old school, old but oldie but goodie, whatever they call that, old but good, whatever music, the old like 70s, 80s, 60s. I don't know about 60s. That might be pushing it. Oh, that might be pushing it. Even with watching the movies from that time, that might be pushing it. I don't know. I don't know if I want to do all that, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll react to some old stuff. I did that old movie. I'm gonna do another classic movie and see how that goes. We'll see how that goes. But stay tuned, y'all. And I will catch y'all in the next one.